Hello everyone, welcome to Vigilant Driving School. Today we are going to talk about the topic of pull up on the left, pulling up on the left. So this topic is related to our previous topic of moving off, because on the test examiner is going to ask you to pull up on the left 3 to 4, 4 to 5 times. So every time they are asking you to pull up on the left, they're going to ask you to move off again. So move off topic we have previously covered. So now we are talking about pulling up. So how it's going to happen, I'm going to try to explain it, and I'll try to keep it a bit precise so the video is not getting too long. So let's start. So how the examiner is going to give you direction. So examiner will be saying, please pull up on the left in a safe and convenient place. The other phrase they can use is please pull up on the left in safe and legal place. Or they can say please pull up on the left to a certain point or anywhere on the left and don't worry about the driveways or the markings. So these are different phrases they can use. So when examiner is giving you instruction, you must listen carefully and make sure you listen until the last word. Sometimes the most important part is in the last word. So once examiner is telling you to pull up on the left, you have to follow a routine we call MSM, mirror signal maneuver. So we always use mirrors before signal and signal before maneuver or moving. I will discuss use of mirror in separate topic in details, but just to highlight you, before any change in direction or speed, we should check the mirrors before. So we check the mirror, two mirrors, the center one and the left one, in the direction we're going. So if you are going to pull up on the left, the first thing you're going to do is center mirror, left mirror, and then you give left signal, and then you pull up towards your target place. So that's the routine you're going to follow. And how you're going to pick up your spot, so that's more important. So first I want you to think of where you should not stop. So I'm going to just name few places. If I miss something, just please excuse me for that. I'm trying to keep the video short, so I'll try to put all the places coming in my mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to think of the places where we should not stop first. So think of, we never stopping on double red line or single red lines. These are the red routes. Single red line has some timing. So as far if you can see the timing, then you may stop, but that's normally not the case. We're not stopping on double yellow line. We are not stopping on single white line. We're not stopping on white zigzag lines. We're not stopping on yellow zigzag lines. You normally find them near the schools. White zigzag lines you normally find by the pedestrian crossings. We're not stopping in a bus stop. We're not stopping in a bus lane if it's in operational timing. If it's not operational and it's safe and convenient and legal, you can stop there. We're not stopping in front of a driveway. So driveway, every property entry or exit has a driveway or drop curb. So the curb will be dropped in front of a property entrance or exit. So we are avoiding the drop curbs, and also we are avoiding yellow boxes, keep clear boxes. We're not stopping close to the junction. So how far from junction you should be stopping? It's your theory question as well. Think about it. 10 meters. So you're not stopping within 10 meters from a junction. Always try to be before that, and try to avoid parking opposite a junction as well, unless it's a parking bay and the road size is quite big and you have no other option. Try to avoid parking opposite a parked car. So if there's a parked car on your other side of the road and you park in front of that car, so you're gonna narrow the room in between. So always be more sensible when you pick up your spot. Either you park before that car or pass the car and then pull up on the left. So thinking about these small factors before you are picking your spot. So as examiner gives you the direction, you're gonna look for your spot, because they're gonna tell you randomly, maybe you won't be expecting. So let's say you came out of a busy roundabout and you turn into a small street, and examiner is asking you to pull up on the left, and you think a sign of a relief, and you gonna forget your routine, you're just gonna go left. So make sure the moment he tells you to pull up on the left, you check your mirrors, signal, and then maneuver. Your speed is important here. So if they ask you to pull up on the left, make sure if there is someone behind you, you're not braking straight away. You make sure you move out of their way as soon as possible, and then start slowing down your car and heading towards your spot or your pull-up space. If you're braking in front of them, you're slowing them and putting impact on them, and this will be a serious fault. So you're going to make sure the moment they ask you, that's why you are checking your mirror. So when you check your center mirror, make sure you're not braking too much. You get out of their direction, out of their way, and then pull up on the left, and then while you're going out of the way, then you start slowing down the car and speed. So make sure you pull up nicely, not getting too close to the curb. You have a drain width size allowed. So the drain width is normally about 8 inches. So that much far from the curb, you should be fine. Anywhere more than that is not nice. Make sure not getting too close that you have chance of hitting the curb. Hitting the curb can lead you to multiple problems. You can get your tire burst or have cut in your tire, or your wheel can get damaged. So that's not something you're looking for. And whenever we are pulling on the left, we're making sure what are we looking for now, where we can park. So we can park anywhere where there is no line and it's a raised curb. All raised curbs, they have something against them. They might have a fence, a wall, a bush, anything against them they will be. If not, still you're looking for a raised curb. Sometime in front of a property, the property has only one drop curb in front of their property and one raised curb. So you can park next to the raised curb even if it's in front of the property. So don't worry about that. You're looking for a raised curb to park almost the size of your car. So make sure you finish within that raised curb. You're not going in front of the driveways. So we're not allowed to stop in front of the driveways. And we are making sure you're looking for parking bays or no lines when you're looking for the safe and legal place to pull up. And make sure you pull up with safety. Yeah, you're not obstructing anything which cause danger or hazard to anyone. So when you ask to pull up on the left, you're going to consider all these small points and follow your routine of mirror checks and signal and then moving off. If you have any question regarding any topic, you can drop comment or in any of our videos like YouTube, and try to follow us on different platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. We are available all these platforms and trying to upload videos on all different platforms, so you can follow us and take the benefit of it. So like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. That will give us some encouragement, and we will be making more videos if you like it. And make sure you share it with your friends, because it might help them, and if it helps anyone, it actually pays the effort. Okay, so the effort is worth if it's helping anyone, if any one of you get benefit out of it. So thank you for staying with us. Stay tuned, and we will be coming soon with the new topic as well, and we'll try to keep the video short as much as possible. So thank you very much. We'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.